Hello friends, in this tutorial you will learn how to create a professional looking WordPress website on a free hosting that will be accessible on internet. Let's start. Friends, as you know, to create a WordPress website you need to buy a domain and hosting. But sometimes for new beginners it's expensive to buy a domain and hosting to host your website on internet. So for practice there are other easy way to create a professional looking website with a free domain and free hosting. So I find a site on internet that name infinityfree.net hosting, by which you can create a website on WordPress with free subdomain and hosting. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can create a WordPress website using this hosting by choosing your domain and host your website by install your WordPress setup. So this is Infinity pre-hosting website. By visiting this site you need to create an account. You need to click here on sign up now button to create your own account in this site. I have already created account. I have already account on Infinity hosting, so I will log in here. So now here you can see that our account is creating. We are setting up this account website from graphicsninja.abc.com for you. This is our domain now. So now you can see that our account is created. So now we will click here on control panel. It will redirect us to control panel of this website. We will click here, I approve. So now this is control panel of Infinity pre-hosting. So now we will install WordPress on our domain name. So for that purpose you need to click here and software or web applications. So as you can see that there are different types of applications available, so we need to install WordPress. We will click here install button. You need some setting here, so I think this is perfect. This is version 0.99 and this is new version WordPress, so you can change the information according to your blog. This is our website admin username and password in which we can log into our website dashboard. So choose your theme. I will choose this theme for practice and now click install button. So as you can see that our setup is installing. So now our setup is our WordPress is installed on our domain name. So this is our domain. You will copy this and paste in a browser. So congratulations, this is our site. Our site is successfully created, and to log into your account you need to click here and write wp-admin. So this is our website dashboard. So we will log in on our username and password. Congratulations, this is our website dashboard. Now our professional looking website on WordPress is created. This is our website dashboard. Now we can click here to visit our website. This is our website and this is a backend dashboard. So now, as according to a professional looking website, you need to install theme from here and lots of plugins. Customize your website according to your need. So friends, this is a full tutorial. Watch these tutorials step by step to learn how to create a free WordPress website on a free hosting with free domain. I wish that you will like this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive new updates from my channel. Thanks for watching.